Everyone, another story today at Cindy Harper Speaks. And today's story on our Halloween theme is about a skeleton. It's entitled Skeleton Hiccups. It's by Margery Cuyler and it's illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Skeleton hiccups. Have you ever heard of a skeleton having hiccups? Skeleton woke up. Does everyone know what R.I.P. means? It means rest in peace. So skeleton woke up, had the hiccups. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Polished his bones. Bone polish. Carved a pumpkin. Break some leaves. Played with ghosts. Ghost told skeleton, hold your breath, eat some sugar, press your fingers over your eyeballs, and drink some water upside down. He was hiccuping before he flipped over, and he's still hiccuping upside down. Ghost made a face. Hic, 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 said Buddha skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. Some people think if you scare someone, the hiccups will go away, but looks like that didn't work. But nothing worked. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror, hic, 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 held it up, hic, hic, hic. Skeleton screamed, hic, hic, hic. Skeleton screamed when he saw himself. Isn't that funny? The hiccups left. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hic, hic, hic. Hooray! So I guess it did work. Says, what's the best way to help a skeleton get over his bone rattling, teeth chattering, belly laughing hiccups? Let the skeleton look in the mirror, see himself, get scared, and whoo, the hiccups went away. They blew away. If you like skeleton hiccups, please press like, and I'll see you next time at Cindy Harper Speaks. Thanks for tuning in, and bye for now.